Hi guys, I'm watching Kayla's videos. Just want to see if you made one today. Me play games.
I love these characters.
Hello, I'm Eve with my brother Caleb. This is our Texas.
Okay, so what's it now?
Okay, hi guys.
Lad, we can barely see.
Oh Jesus.
Ah, Jesus.
That's a bad one.
Yeah, that was a bad one, Eve.
I like this.
I like that.
Oh my god, I love this character.
Bro, Steven Gerrard was world class. I know 100% Caleb copied that. Anyways guys, today we're playing Top Marks, hit the button, Google. If you want to know how to play Top Marks, hit the button, all you have to do is just search it up in Google or Chrome. You don't... It's a website. You can play Top Marks, hit the button. And I'm going to play right now. I'm going to play hit the button. I'm going to do halves. I'm going to go to 20. Alright. Half of 36.
I have a different type
Oh,
of
will you
response.
shush? What's half of 36? It's 13. Oh, what is this? 15. No. 17. 16. Or 18. Half of 24 is 12.
Are you playing push to run?
Half of 26. 13, where's 13?
We play.
32.
We're the first class to play that at school.
I know. A 16. That's why I played it today. 8, no, yeah. Oh, I'm doing terribly bad. 6 out of 10. Half of 20. Where's 10? There we go. 22. Yeah, I might as well just quit. That's way too hard. Second grade is
What day is it today?
Thursday.
Roblox Day.
Yeah, who cares? It's only Roblox. Oh, I accidentally went out of the website. Match games.
What are you on?
I'm on Top Marks.
How'd
Yes, super.
How'd you get on that?
Oh, just search up a Google Top Marks, hit the button. Or Chrome. And then you play. You want to play with me? 2 player, 1 player. Don't play with me.
No, fine. I like playing
I'm going to do long game.
Minecraft instead. Because Tommy, you know what I'm playing. You probably
I'm
want
going to start at year 1 and then we're going to go up.
I think you'll probably want to play this. Really?
Double 9, 8, where's 18? Alright. Double 9, where's 8? Oh, they switch it around, it's really hard.
Look.
That was easy. Oh.
Tommy, pick one day you think I should play.
That one.
Astro.
Let's strike.
Astro. This one. Or that one.
One chunk. What's up, lads? To get around
I think I'm actually going to play Cherry Furniture.
Oh, let's go to get it. Ah, I couldn't even get one down.
I like
At least you got E.
I like you. I like you. I like.
777. Where's
I don't like you.
14. Come on now. Come on. Come on.
Don't like
18.
Lily.
Perfect.
Even me, your best friend.
It's so easy. 2. What's 2? 4. There we go. Sorry, I couldn't find 4. Oh, what? That's weird. Oh, that's pretty bad. Bam. Bam. Oh, that's terrible.
School is about being smart.
What did I? Oh, I got A. And then get it around there. Need to gonna curve like that. No, that's terrible. That is terrible. That was a terrible shot.
I'm gonna make my own. I'm gonna.
Come on now, I still got 16, mate.
Oh, I forgot I was in survival
Double
mode.
two, double two, double two,
I like
double
you.
two, four again.
I like you. I like you.
Double 10, 20.
I don't like you.
These match games are fun. Let's turn my iPad. Boom. Oh, this is really good.
Oh my god, so they live here.
And boom.
So those are
Boom. Oh, that was awful. What I got there? 6. I knew I got something right now. I'm gonna get those 2 pins in the... No, that is terrible.
Where are the rest of the houses?
Curve. Oh, come on. That's not bad.
Oh, there they are.
I got 23 for my scoring. That's not too bad. With 3 shots. 23. 6. This is too easy. Caleb barely knows any of his maths.
Oh, this house.
Search up his channel, Caleb
I'm gonna
Kelleher.
decorate my own house.
Put it in the description. If I can. Got 8 there. No, 9. 1. Okay, I need to get this last pin.
I think this house would
No.
be perfect.
Oh
Yeah,
no,
it's
that's gonna
perfect
curve.
mix.
That's gonna curve out, I think. Yes!
Looks lovely, and it's empty.
That's a spare.
I can fill it up.
For my next hit,
Now,
I
where's
get
the
those
door?
extra points.
Is there no entrance?
Double 10, 20. Spare is bad.
Or no, I don't.
No.
Oh
That's
my
it,
god.
I got accidentally turned by something.
Okay. Let's start getting to decorating.
Sorry, lad. Oh my. This game is really fun. Bah. You don't have to download it, guys. Just free. You play anytime you want. If you have time to play. It's really fun of a game.
And to play out later.
Yes. I needed to get it around there.
Down.
Hopefully we'll curve get both of them. Oh no. Oh, I missed both of them. It's a spare, isn't it? Hey, 49, let's go. Frame 6. This was 6 shot. 6 shot, I mean. What am I on about, like? Sorry guys, I'm saying just such random words at the moment. Stop taking long to answer these questions. I'm only here. I mean, I'm only little. I mean, that might be a bit good. Oh, that's terrible. How did I manage to get a strike? I didn't even get my points yet. Should have been at 59. Double 5 and 10. These doubles are easy. Double 3, 6. That's it. Ooh, barely and bam.
I mean, you're not supposed to be up in my bed.
Who cares?
Go back down.
Power. Oh, that's
You're annoying.
perfect. Another strike.
Like,
Yeah! No, 2 strikes.
down on normal mode.
Alright, lads, I might be able to miss. Double 10 is 20. Sorry, lads, for 2. Oh no, that's pretty bad. It's gonna curl and boom. For some reason, that's not bad at all. Oh, I got 75. Ooh. I need to hit it straight in the middle. Yeah, spare. I got spare, so I get extra 9 for my last shot. Eight. Number 5. How much is total? 10. Alright, now I'll boom. Sorry lads, I was just going on it's night time in Ireland. It's 10:15 in Ireland right now. Ah, it's the strike. Perfect. And it's perfect for the spare. I know, this is my last shot. 7 and 40. 20. Boom. Kaboom. Yes! Nice to the 3-0 down. I'm so happy. What did we get there? 7. 3 more left. I need to get around there. That's my last shot. I need to make something good out of it. Boom. That's not gonna get anything. Oh, the best player. That's it. No, I got I got a bonus chance to get more points. So that is my last shot. Please get me. Oh, that's not bad. And off with 154.
Alright.
Alright, sorry about that, guys. New high score is 154. No one can be that boring. Exit game. No.
Alright.
Just tell my exit the button. Oh, I forgot what that clock game was. What do I want to play? I'm gonna play Daily 10. Let's start off with level 1. Whatever edition is. Up to 25. 26. How do I answer? Was it 20? Answered it. How do you answer? Can you wind it down or something? Or what? I don't know how you answer these, but just leave us. Okay, not playing this is boring. What shall I play? I just play rocket rounding. Let's play that. Let's play that. Up to 99 meters. What? Yeah, 49 goes to 50. I wonder what happens when you get one wrong. This is easy. It's easier than I thought, like. This is last minute, guys, because I have to go to bed soon and now the videos will be way too long on YouTube. So last minute here. Oh, barely to 40, but yeah. Oh, 24, sad, you have to go down to 20. 8 out of 8. 53 goes down to 50. This is easy. 39 goes to 40. And we'll probably get, these are the last two, guys.
Try again.
Huh? Oh, 10. That's the end of the video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!